Want to organize your landing page like a pro? In this video, I'll show you how to add sections and columns in System.io to create a clean and professional page layout. Step 1. Log into your System.io account and click on Funnels. Open the funnel that contains the page you want to edit. Step 2. Select your landing page and click Edit Page to open the drag and drop editor. You'll see your existing page layout and the editing options. Step 3. To add a new section, click the Add Section button where you want to insert new content. Choose a section layout that best fits your design. Step 4. Inside the new section, click Add Row and select the number of columns you need, such as 1, 2, or 3 columns. This allows you to place text, images, buttons, or videos side by side. Step 5. Now drag elements like headings, images, buttons, or text into each column. Adjust the spacing and alignment until your page looks clean and balanced. Click Save Changes, then preview your page on both desktop and mobile. And that's it! You've successfully added sections and columns in System.io. If you'd like to build professional sales funnels and landing pages, check out my System.io affiliate link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Funnel Growth Lab, and turn on notifications for more beginner-friendly tutorials.